What is happening, BC Spirits? BC Spirits Spirit Day number 7. I am a day late and $1 short. Always a day late, $1 short. But I'm here today. I'm actually going to go stray away from the classics that I've been making recently and lean into something we do at Clive's. It's been very, very popular. It uses the Esquimalt Kina Rouge, which I'm in love with. I did Blood Sand last week. I know I'm doubling down that. But the Esquimalt Kina Rouge is just spectacular. First Kina made here since World War II or World War I. And then, of course, the Blackberry gin from Stillhead. It just sort of came into play. We wanted to do a classics, a local classics section. And I wanted a drink that was just super, super easy drinking, like ridiculously easy drinking. I didn't want any sort of fuss. Like, easy drinking, citrus, on the rocks, bang it out, everybody's happy. So, let's kick it off. We're going to do 1.5 ounces of the Blackberry gin from Stillhead. A full ounce of the Kina Rouge. Now, a little quarter ounce, a cheeky quarter ounce of simple syrup, because these are really naturally flavored, they're not overly sweet. A couple of dashes of the Sling lemon Marrakesh bitters, and then 3/4 ounce of lemon. Look at that. So drop that in. Now, shake it up. Riedel barware. I'm absolutely in love with the Riedel glassware right now. They're really inexpensive, really well priced, to be really honest with you, for Riedel. So just strain over fresh ice cubes. Super nice color. Super easy garnish. Just a nice little lemon slice there. Classic FTW coaster. And that is I Live in Vic West, featuring the Stillhead Blackberry Gin, the Kina Rouge from Esquimalt Wine Company, a little lemon Marrakesh bitters from Sling, and a little bit of lemon juice. Hope you enjoyed that, guys. The recipe will be in the description. See you guys next week. Bye.